B-roll isn't just filler, it's the thread that ties everything together. Sometimes it's planned, like a subject doing something purposeful to support a voiceover. Other times it's caught in motion, a quick follow shot in a busy ER, or a moment that happens once and never again. I use tools like intervalometers and motorized dollies to bring cityscapes to life with motion time-lapses. I shoot slow motion to stretch the quiet moments, and static frames to let real action breathe. B-roll works best when it feels natural. Behind the scenes, hands at work, people in motion. It gives life to interviews. It fills the silence with story. Whether I'm filming construction, clinical care, or community spaces, I aim for footage that's more than just coverage. It's connective tissue, it's context.